welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been well. It's been a while since I filmed. I tried filming this a few weeks ago, but since I moved my office, a lot of my camera equipment has been moved, so I haven't had a chance to figure that out yet, so sorry about that. I'm using my phone to film this video, so hopefully it's going to be not too bad. But other than that, I was trying to film this with my Sony in the ZV-1 that I mentioned a few weeks ago, new vlogging camera, but I have to figure out the mic situation because I did lose one of the cables, so I need to find that. But other than that, hope you bear with me. Hopefully this is going to be the last iPhone video, and other than that, let's get in. So if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So today's video is super exciting. So 2 weeks ago, I did share my business planner setup, so I'll link that in the cards up above for you guys. But this one is more for my personal stuff and for Life with Holly, which is this channel. I'll share more in a little bit, but we're gonna start with my PM first. So this is the Louis Vuitton PM agenda. It's super small and super compact. I really love this. This usually just stays in my bag and it's just there whenever I need it. I don't use it too often. It's not something I use every day, so it's just nice to have. And sometimes I have to transfer some of my work stuff in here because I don't bring my business planners home, so that's just something I have as an extra. So I'm just going to share what's inside. We have some appointment cards here for my dermatologist. I have my key card here. I have some transparent sticky notes. These are the mini ones. And then I have some stickers on the side. This is the GraciEdits. I also was using this planner in A6 version, but I switched back to a pocket because I think it's much smaller and more compact. So I had these stickers in there, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep them in here or trying to figure out where to put them. So I just have some your everyday planner stickers in here, and I have some Top Paper Co stickers in here. This was a collab we did a while back. And then we're gonna go inside. So I have an acetate in the front. I have a nice little bookmark. This is from Planning with Alo. Super cute. I think it's called Alo Creative Corner. And then I have this inbox dashboard here. This is actually printable from Poi Hun. I'll link the shops down below. I probably won't link every item because there is a lot of items I have in here, so you can go find them yourself. And then, oops, I just have a little inbox little note here to bring to work. So these are stuff that I would come home and tell myself that I need to bring to work. And then we have some top dividers here. These are actually coming out later on next month, so here's a little sneak peek of these cute top tabs, but I'll share more on social media. And then we have 8 Infinity Lotuses lists and notes, so I use it to put notes down. It's usually more home stuff and anything I need to bring to work kind of thing, and things to buy. Then we have cleaning to do sticky note here. This is actually new from Poi Hun, and I love using this when I just want to write things super quick and I can peel it off when I'm done. We do have a printable version in different sizes, but those are more intense, and if you want to plan it a lot better, this is just something I use when I'm like a little more busy now, so I just write whatever I want to clean that week and go from there. So there's a few pages of that, and then we have inbox here. So this is stuff from work that I would just transfer here just in case I need it, things I need to bring from home and stuff like that. So it's a little different, trying to adapt to 2 different spaces rather than having everything in one space. Then we have our calendar section here. We have some transparent sticky notes. This is a 2x2 square and nude. And then we have our yearly and monthly inserts, which we do not have a lot left. So if you're looking to purchase, and I believe they're also on sale, so if you're looking to purchase the yearlies, make sure to grab them now. We only have a few sizes left, and obviously not a lot left because we won't be restocking these since these are dated. And then I was using the month on 2 pages, as you see. And yeah, so that's that. Try to keep this planner super simple because obviously It's just for on the go, and and obviously the rings are super small, so you can't fit too many items in here anyways. So I also have Infinity Lotus's weekly spread that I don't really use often because I don't really need it yet, but maybe later on I'll need it more. Then I have some more notes in the back. Then I have this reoccurring task from Peanuts Planner Co. I have shared this in a previous video before, I believe, in a previous setup. So I still need to change, grab some new ones and use it for 2022. This is still for 2021. I just leave that in here so I will remember to go change it when I can. And then we have a wish list tracker here. This is also from Poi Hun. So this one is just things that I want, and I just put it down so I don't remember. So I'll remember, and when sales come by, stuff like that, make sure to check if there's sales. And then we're at the notes section, and that's pretty much it for my personal planner. This is just something I just keep in my bag and use when I need it, so it's not too crazy. I'll probably go through it again and take some stuff out, but that is my personal planning system. So now we're doing my Life with Holly planner. I actually haven't planned in this yet. I'm still setting it up to figure it out. I haven't had a chance to work on Life with Holly as much, so that's why it's still pretty empty. I've been planning a little bit on the computer, but I'll definitely do a vlog related to this later on so you can kind of see where I'm at. But I am trying to set this up so when I'm ready to work, I can get this ready to go. So I am using the Beige A5 cover. This one is limited edition, and we restocked it once, and I don't think we'll be restocking again. So if there's something you like, make sure to grab it before we sell out. So I'm currently using A5 rings. I always want to use A5 rings, but I've been using A5 covers. I've been using half-layer disc bound. So I decided that I'm just going to use it for this system here, which is my work or like project. I guess I can call this more like a creative project planner. So there's two ways you can use this. You can use Poi Hun's DIY A5 rings to create your A5 rings, and it's much affordable, but I did find this one from my collected planner where it's more like a little sleeve and it has the actual rings here, so then it's easier to slip in. But obviously it depends on your budget and how you want it to look. You can both ways work the same and perfectly. I just have some stickers on the side, some tabs. All my tabs here are from Lines Plus Paper. They have custom tabs you can do. So on the top I have one-on-one coaching, which I'm trying to get back into in the next couple months. Social media, which is super important, and content creation, so any other content creation such as YouTube and stuff. So social media is more for like Instagram. And then on the side over here I have goals, calendar, marketing, which is where social media and content creation is, and then notes. So I made sure I had all the section I need. So that's kind of the base I'm going for. Obviously inside this planner I might change things up, but so far this is where I'm at right now. I'll definitely do a more updated video when either in a vlog, whether I update it or change it up. I'll share some more on that, so make sure you're subscribed to see that. So the first thing I have is this cleared page lifter from Poi Hun, and I have some Poi Hun clear cards in here. They're just super pretty, and I need to work on my page flags here. So the first section is one-on-one coaching. I'm working on a course to kind of up-level my coaching stuff. I did it a little bit last year, or not last year, 2 years ago, but I haven't had a chance to get back into it yet. So I just have some note pages in here for that. And then in my goals, I started working on this in December of 2021. But it didn't really work that well, but I'll probably have some goal pages here later, but right now I just have some lists. Then the next section is calendar. I have an inbox. This is the inbox 2.0. I don't have anything in here yet other than trying to finish the course stuff. And then I have my yearly and monthly for A5, and I have a little bit of stuff in here, but as mentioned, it's pretty empty, but this is kind of the structure that's going to be and how I kind of laid it out for now. So since I have space, I have it all the way till December. And then in the marketing section, I have tasks. So this is something that I probably will be using soon because I need to update my website. I need to update a lot of stuff. So that's why I have some task pages here. I also have my social media pages here, which I love using for my business Poi Hun. So I'll definitely be using this for Life with Holly also. And then content creation is more for like bigger projects. So any brands, any sponsorships, even YouTube videos could be done. So right now I just have some projects inserts in here. And then I was starting some notes in the back for my note stuff to start. And then in the back I just have this nice folder here. This is also from the Collected Planner. And I have some stickers in here from Paper Panda. These are perfect for just like, especially when I'm just using notes right now, I can just have to do on the top, appointments, stuff like that on the top, and they fit really nicely in this little slot. And that's pretty much it. So that is kind of like the structure I am working on. So hopefully this will start working on it soon and I can update you how I use this. But that's kind of how I used it for my content creation stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment, and hope that the video isn't that bad with the quality. It should be good because I did change it to 4K. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll be sharing a vlog very, very soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!